This video will show you how to disassemble the DiscovOre Prime head assembly, the fastest, safest, and lightest coring system available. To disassemble the DiscovOre Prime, you will need the T-handle magnetic socket that comes in the DiscovOre Prime case. To begin, remove the safety pin from the top of the head assembly. Separate the latch body by rotating it counterclockwise. Using the T-handle magnetic socket included in the Prime case, remove the assembly bolt, wedge lock washers, and retracting case spring, which will come out in one piece. Remove one assembly rod and turn the assembly and remove the retracting case. Remove one latch by unhooking it from the latch body, and remove the latch spring. Repeat this process for the other latch and latch spring. Unscrew the mid-body from the lower valve body by turning counterclockwise. Tip slightly to remove the landing shoulder and the chrome ball. Rotate to remove the lower valve body. Once disconnected, unscrew the spindle lock nut. Once the lower valve body is removed and the spindle lock nut is unscrewed, remove the inner tube adapter. Then remove the second chrome ball. Remove the inner tube cap body. And unscrew the stover nut. Remove the ball bearing and then the compression spring. Slide off the bearing housing and the 3 thrust bearings. Remove the valve adjusting washer and the shutoff valve. Make sure to watch our other DiscovOre Prime videos for more information on care and maintenance.